Do not start affiliate marketing until you understand these 3 things. Number 1, affiliate marketing is not easy. Yes, it is easier than other business models because you don't have to create or ship the product, but you still have to have a skill set where you have to be consistent and disciplined to make it a success. Number 2, buy the product that you want to promote. Would you promote a product that you've never used to your friends? Highly doubtful, so don't do it. Make sure you understand and you like the product that you're promoting. Number 3, your job is not to sell. Your job is to create leads for the business. It is their job to sell and not yours. You need to become a master lead generator. Now that you understand these 3 things about affiliate marketing and you still want to get started, follow for there, check out down there.